Do you know someone with this surname? If so, they are technically a crooked mouth, a Campbell. Like thousands of places and names, Campbell comes to us from Gaelic, broken down into its original form, Cam meaning crooked, and Bial meaning mouth, Gaelic. This is thought to have come about as clearly a nickname for an early chief of what became the Campbell clan. Man clearly did not have turkey teeth. The Campbell name became more prominent in the late 1200s due to the warrior Callan Mór Campbell, who was a cousin of Robert the Bruce, and by the way that just translates to Big Colin Campbell. After that, Clan Campbell became one of the largest and most powerful of the Highland clans, dominant in Argyll, wielding power and influence from the Hebrides to Edinburgh, or Dunedin, Gaelic. And today you can find Campbells really all over the world as a consequence of, among other things, the Highland clearances and large-scale immigration from Scotland between roughly the 16th to the 18th centuries, which is why you will find Campbells in Jamaica, Canada, Northern Ireland, United States, and of course Australia as well. Horcho acha new anam to do next.